Have you ever tried memorizing a whole bunch of words in a new language and then realized you had no clue what any of them are a week later? We all have. And that's why I want you to stop learning Russian in the way that's not working and leaves you disappointed. Keep watching as we discover the best 2 ways to enjoy learning languages. Tip number 1. Make learning Russian fun. For example, if you love trying new foods, look up the words that describe what you're eating and say them out loud while taking a break from chewing. Out loud is вслух in Russian. Say with me, вслух. Or you could even do that with the food you already enjoy. And don't hold back. Roll that R in пирожки. Пирожки literally means small pies and can be baked or deep fried with a variety of fillings. С капустой, with cabbage, с картошкой, with potatoes, с грибами, with mushrooms. If you've tried пирожки before, was it with tea, chai, coffee, or beer, пиво? Let me know in the comments below and let's practice. Я пью, I'm drinking, горячий чай, hot tea, черный кофе, black coffee, холодное пиво, cold beer. Whatever you prefer, pleasant experiences make you more likely to achieve your learning goals. The verb to achieve is достигать in Russian, and an achiever is достигатор. Say with me, достигать и достигатор. The noun достигатор is of masculine gender and is not as common in Russian as it is in English. But we can change it together. When you like and share this video with a friend, each of them is becoming an achiever. Достигатор. Tip number 2. Learn Russian with storytelling. Our brains are wired to remember and connect with stories. Stories is истории in Russian. Say it with me, истории. A well-known YouTuber, Ali Richards, likes telling a story of 2 girls that traveled to Moscow and got into all kinds of trouble in his 101 conversations in Russian. The language that I'm learning right now is the language of YouTube. Another well-known YouTuber, Daryl Eves, has a book called YouTube Formula that teaches creators how to increase views and subscribers. In Russian, subscriber is подписчик, and I hope you'll consider becoming one or have already. In this case, the combination of letters S and Ch is not pronounced phonetically as sch, but is pronounced as sh instead. Say it with me, подписчик. But it doesn't have to be a book by a social media guru or a linguistic genius. Is there a book, a movie, or another story that you recently enjoyed? Pause this video and try talking about it out loud in Russian. How did it feel? Did you confuse conjugation or other grammar? Or even mixed in some words from your native language? That's totally normal, as long as you enjoy it. Adverb normal is нормально in Russian. Say it with me, нормально. Now click here to watch the story of why I left Russia. Enjoy and yes, keep on learning Russian, achievers.